So this should be a fairly quick video. This is an UpBright branded power adapter. Don't know anything about them. Has a decent weight to it. It is a 48 watt power adapter for various devices, but didn't know if it's just going to be another one of those random junk brands that you see online or if it's something good, so I thought it'd be fun to crack it open, which I've already done. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Quite a bit going on. A giant filter cap there and a bunch of goop to stop vibrations. And everything up to here I believe is the AC input side, and this is the DC output side. And we'll see if this will come out nicely. I haven't checked to see if it's been de-energized, so I probably shouldn't be touching it too recklessly, but yeah, lots of components on the inside. You see the isolation gap here between the high voltage and low voltage side. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, overall, looks like a decent power supply. I assume it works as intended. I don't think these capacitor brands are anything particularly special, but if they do the job, I mean, yeah. But yeah, I guess, you know, if you want to see what the inside of an UpBright power supply looks like, this is the D12-48W. Now you know.